multiple billions of dollars are exchanged over Instagram every year. This year, 2021, expected ad revenue is over $20 billion. And that's just the number from official Instagram ads. With all the other markets from influencers and direct sales, that number is going to be significantly bigger. And of course, you want in on the action. Who wouldn't? Let me share with you 5 ways that you can make money on Instagram, including ways to monetize even if you only have a small following. The first way is products, physical products. You can sell something connected to your niche. You can make the products yourself or import them or even drop ship, and you just promote them through your own page. Can be very profitable because you don't have to pay for any advertisements, so you get all of the profits, the net profits on selling those items. Digital products, even more profitable because you don't have to pay to manufacture them or import them. Once it's made, it's simply all profit. Ebooks, courses, templates, etc. I have sold these myself on my own Instagram, and now, as of last year, you can now sell directly on Instagram itself. So you don't even need a website. Say you've got a theme page and you don't want to make a website, you could sell products directly on your page with Instagram. The second way is ads and promos. Essentially, being an influencer. That's the one everybody wants to be. A walking billboard, an attention prostitute. People pay you lots of money for you to promote their products in your stories, in your feed, or even pinned comments now are being sold. And the benefit of this is it requires minimal work from your end, and you gain lots of money if you have a large following. Downside is you have to have a very large following for it to really make much difference, unless you're in a very, very specific niche. But if you do have it, you can make quite a lot of money from just a handful of posts per month. The third one is selling services. And this one you can do even if you've only got a small following. Even just a few hundred followers, you can start to generate money and monetize from Instagram doing this. You're going to do something called inbound marketing, which is creating content to draw people into you around whatever service that may be. It could be design, it could be music. You know, if you're a music teacher and you want to teach people jazz piano, start making lots of content around jazz piano, and the people who are interested in that and want to learn, some of those people you will be able to convert into students of yours, and you can do lessons with them, teaching them how to play the piano better. And that applies across many different fields. Design is super popular on Instagram these days. Everybody who's a designer is making posts and carousels across Instagram. Myself included have jumped onto that bandwagon. It could be motion graphics, After Effects, consulting, and if you create incredible content that wows people, nobody really cares about how many followers you have in these areas. As long as you wow them with amazing content, people will be drawn into wanting to acquire your services. I myself have had quite a few consultancy and design clients from doing this on Instagram and across multiple different accounts, not just this one. And I do not particularly have a large following on any of them. And if I can do it, you can definitely do it. The fourth one is similar, but commissions. And this is more now focused on artistic more types. An actual artist painting paintings, or photographers even. It could be more crafty arts like wood turning, metalworking. You create amazing artwork and people are like, that's awesome, I want one of those, make me one of those, here's some money. Inbound marketing. By creating awesome content, you draw in people who want what you have. Can be quite successful. There was this guy a couple of years ago making Photoshop art of superheroes, and he kind of got a bit of traction on the Instagram and ended up making the official Avengers posters for Infinity War and Endgame, I think. So you can go all the way to the top from just making stuff on Instagram. And this guy didn't have any formal training. He just started making artwork and people loved it. Now, that's an exception, but the potential is in there because you don't need to get the biggest people in the world to buy from you. There are many, many, many other people in between that do amazing work. People will want you. The fifth way is you can create a Patreon or some other way of creating exclusive content behind a paywall. Very popular for Forex and trading people I've seen. They have Patreons and then people pay, or paid Discords, and people pay to be in these where they give them trading tips, etc. Also for the e-girls and the thoughts, but that's more for risque content. So not everybody can do that. But if you are so blessed with the beauty of looking like an anime character, there is a lot of weebs out there who are desperate for attention. Bonus tip, do not just do one source of monetization. You want to combine, you want to create multiple revenue streams. You can do almost all of them and combine it into a big business around Instagram. And I know several people who have done this quite successfully, making multiple six figures a year from just Instagram alone. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more marketing and branding content. Follow me on Instagram if you want some bite-sized branding and marketing tips. And have a fabulous day. Ethan out.